take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya and I film all kinds of pink, girly, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So if that's something you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and push bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So your pink fairy godmother is here to deliver a video I promised you guys a year ago, and it is an updated car tour. As you guys know, when I did my car tour a year ago when I bought my car, I kind of just went ahead and filmed it because it wasn't actually quite ready. I had ordered some other accessories and car seat covers and stuff that just came in the wrong color, and so I had to just go ahead and record it because those car seat covers took like 3 months to get to me in the first place, and I was just not gonna wait another 3 months to record the video for you guys. So I told you when I got car seat covers I would go ahead and do an updated car tour video for you guys. I also want to say a huge thank you to you guys and a lot of you on Instagram that inspired this video as well. I've been seeing your pink cars all year. They are so inspiring and so cute. I'm going to overlay your pink cars right here.
You, yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah,
You guys know that as much as you say I inspire you, you guys inspire me. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of appreciation at the beginning of this video. Did order something that did not come in, so more than likely I'll be updating you guys in a future video or vlog. I ordered some car mats and they are custom for my cars, so I actually was not able to get them in time for this video, but there will be another video once I do get them. Just because I had already promised you guys I would have the video up today, I don't want to hold off and like disappoint you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just record it, show you guys what I have today, and then of course you guys will always get updates. We are here to stay, okay? These are a few of the things that I've learned along the way in the past year, things that I like to keep in my car, and a lot of these goodies are so affordable and on Amazon and will make your car so personalized and cute for your pictures, your selfies, or whatever you want. Sometimes life can get a little repetitive, a little routine. It always helps to have things that you love being surrounded by to help you spice up your life and feel happy with your life and your everyday things that you have to do. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I definitely am a homebody. I have a hard time getting out of my house some days, so it does help a lot to have a car that I just love to get in and drive, and you know, a car that just inspires me, and it really does inspire me to go get chores done, go do things, and just get things done and run errands and all of that, because adulting is difficult, you guys. Really quick before we get started, I just want to go ahead and encourage you guys to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You guys already know I post a lot of content over there. Okay guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tour.
Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
The first things I want to show you guys are kind of in this front area, in the drivers and passengers area. I have like a cute pink charger. It's actually a phone stand that charges your phone. It's so cute. I didn't show you guys this in the Amazon video, so I kind of want to highlight it here. It's just got here a day late. I had forgotten about it. We are outside right now, so there's gonna be a bit of wind, maybe, possibly. Here is what it looks like to get into my car. We have my car seat covers that you guys saw in my Amazon video right here. And then I'm just gonna get in and show you guys everything. So I did go and pick up a drink. I will leave the recipe down below in the comments if you guys want to try out this drink. It's like chocolate covered strawberries. It's really, really good. I have my phone on the little stand that I just showed you guys earlier right here. Then I have my wallet because I did need my wallet to get my Starbucks. I always hang my keys here. I still have this same keychain, so nothing's changed here except I got this one from an Etsy shop. I think all of this stuff is pretty much the same as before. This one I need to replace because it's gotten so dirty, but I still have that on there. It's still going strong. I did put my blazer up here because it got so hot, you guys. I know you guys are familiar with my little car chandelier I got from Amazon, so I'll link that down below. Okay, so this one is for all my Audi lovers. This is an Audi Q5, and I'm not trying to do the most techie car tour, so if that's what you're looking for, you came to the wrong channel. I'm mainly here to show you how I kind of customized my car. If you're interested in that, you can watch the first one where I think I got a little more technical about it. I think I have like the Premium or Premium Plus or something like that. So yeah, my screen back here is all an LCD screen right here. You could make these bigger, smaller. This does have heated seats, a heating steering wheel. The back seats are also heated. And for those of you that are probably going to question this, the seats do still heat up even with the covers. So I just thought I would mention that really quickly. I totally forgot to show you guys, I have this cute tissue dispenser here. I got this on Amazon as well, so again, link will be down below. These are my Bath and Body Works scent things. I use these, but I also use some little jar. I'll link them down below, but they're like little jars, and I like the cherry flavored the cherry scented ones, and those are underneath my car seats. I also have one in here. So this opens here, and this is what it looks like. These are the ones I get, and you can shut them or open them all the way. It's up to you how much you want it to smell. Of course, I have my Starbucks drink. I have this remote for my LED lights that are underneath that light up. Of course, I light it up pink all the time. I do have a pink charger connected in here that gets super tangled, so I like to just tuck it away if someone needs it, because it's like really long. And my phone charges with this one over here that I showed you guys. So this is pink as well. When you set it down, it sensors your phone and it'll close it. It's super cool. Up here I have another one of those Bath and Body Works car scent thing. I got this really cute, it's actually a planner cover, but I use it to keep like my handbook, my insurance, and all of that. Yeah, it'll just slide out because it's not like attached. I can attach it, like I can stick a page back here. I just haven't done that yet, just so that it won't slide around like that. But yeah, I'll link below the small business that I bought this planner cover from if you guys are interested in getting yourself a pink planner. Mine is an A5 size, I think. Ignore my car crying over there because of the door being open, but this is the overview. So I also forgot to share with you guys, I also have this that you guys didn't get to see, and this is a little pouch. I love this because I can put my food in here, like if I go get takeout or I don't know, fast food, I can put it in here. I also, well, right now I have my bigger camera and I have my sunglasses in here that I'm using currently. When you put your takeout and food on the seats or on the floor, you risk ruining your car seat or floor. But if it's in here, if it spills in here, it stays in there. So it's just kind of like a nice little idea, and it also holds purses really nicely too. If you need somewhere to put your purse so it's not in the way, this also will hold a purse. I guess I could show you guys, I have my new sunglasses that Manny got me for Valentine's Day. They are these super pretty Valentino sunglasses. They're gorgeous. They look so nice too. Love these so much. Okay, so now we have my back seats, and this is what it looks like back here. Here are the seats in the back seat, and then I have this purse hook that you guys have all seen and are familiar with. You can get these on Amazon as well. And here are my purses. I actually have a second purse hook somewhere. I lost it, let's be honest. So I was only able to find one of them. Sometimes when you don't have purses on them, they can kind of like if someone grabs onto this, it can kind of just accidentally fall off and stuff, so just keep that in mind. But these car seat covers do have pockets on the back of them. Like this hugs the entire seat, like this car seat, so it covers the entire seat completely, and then it has these pockets, because normally my Audi has these nets which you can't really put much in them. so I kind of like these pockets more. Of course, the other side has them as well. This is what the car seat covers look like in the back, if you guys are curious. And these are my bags that I have for today. I have my Neverfull, and I have my cousin bag. I don't know how you pronounce that, but yeah, those are the ones that I have for today. Now I'm going to show you guys my trunk. I know this car tour is like not taking forever like my first one. I think my first one I kind of actually decorated my car with you guys, so that one took a little bit longer to watch, but this one's more sweet and to the point. And if you want to see a longer one and me go more into detail about my car, I will go ahead and let you guys watch the first one. So now we get to the trunk, and this is my trunk right now. Actually, I wanted to show you guys a license plate cover. It's like bedazzled. I got this on Amazon as well. And yeah, let me go ahead and open the trunk. Okay, so I have my gym bag, which I use every single day because I do go to the gym almost every day. This I get a lot of questions on. I'm gonna link it for you guys. I had this custom made on AliExpress. So the listing I'm gonna send you, what you have to do is order the thing and then message them after you order it, or you can even message them before you order it, doesn't matter, and send them the pattern that you want printed on your what is this called, you guys? I cannot think right now. You know what I'm talking about. This protects your car from, you know, the heat in the summer. So yeah, protects your leather seats too from the sun hitting them directly. Now we have car seat covers too, so I mean, I guess we're pretty good on that end. But still, if you want to get in your car and not burn your legs in the summer when you're wearing shorts, you will love to have one of these. So I'm gonna link the listing that I use down below, and you guys can literally just send them anything. They can literally put anything on your cover on this front part. So I just sent them this print, and they put it on there for me. So yeah. So I have this basket. This basket is actually a new slipper basket I just got for my slippers. I just went to Dollar General before this. So yeah, I found all this stuff at Dollar General. And oh, I guess I could show you a little haul. I got some more nails. I got a sports bra. I got a new rug for the bathroom, tissues. I mainly went in for tissues to refill my little tissue holder. And I got this drink. It's Mountain Dew Zero Sugar Spark, and I really wanted to try it because it's pink, obviously. Yeah, more nails. And then this is the scent I like to put in my home. This stuff is amazing, you guys, amazing. So yeah, there's my little Dollar General haul. So that's just sitting there. And then I have this car organizer, which I will link below. I always get questions on this, and this is amazing. Like, I keep all my cleaning supplies for my car. I have my Juicy Couture sanitizing wipes, window cleaner. I have a car leather seat conditioner. Well, it's just leather conditioner, but obviously it's made for cars, sofas. You could even use it on your luxury bags. Then in here I just have a random rope and tape. You never know when you're gonna need tape. You're always needing tape for something. I have a lotion because someone always needs lotion. And then in here I have some stuff I got at O'Reilly's to put the LED stuff in my car, and like, it's just trash basically. I put miscellaneous stuff in this last one normally that I know I need to get out of the car, or it's like trash, or it's stuff that I just bought. I did hang one of these back here. This is the wild cherry scent. I always want to say flavor. It's a wild cherry scent, and of course this is what I have throughout my entire car. And guys, that's everything for my trunk. It does have these little compartments on the sides too. I thought I would show you guys, but I normally don't use those unless we travel. And then my gym bag's obviously from Victoria's Secret pink. But yeah, if you want a really cute slipper basket, check out your Dollar General. Alright guys, that is everything for my little Barbie car tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very simple. I don't like to have like way too many things in here, but just enough things for what I would need here and there. And I do also have a card tray, a pink card tray that is missing somewhere, so I'm gonna link that below. I like to use it when I travel because I can do my homework or set my laptop on it. It's like a mini, it's like a card tray, like a desk card tray thing. You could put food on it, you could put drinks on it. But yeah, I'll insert a clip or a photo of that here so you guys can see it, and I'll also link it below because that is missing. I guess when I cleaned out my car, I might have thrown it in the shop or something when we traveled, and I just haven't put it back in yet. But yeah, that's everything for my Audi car tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I'm saying the name right now because I used to say Audi. But yeah, you know, honest mistake. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm also going to show you guys a clip of how my car looks at night, because I do have projectors that project the logo on the bottom. I also have LEDs that light up underneath the seats and make the whole car pink, like light up in pink LEDs. It's amazing. It's like having an LED sign. It reminds me of my beauty room. You guys know I have that LED sign in my beauty room. It's that vibe exactly, and I love it. Okay guys, so these are the LEDs that are under here. Manny actually put these in for me. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested. He's sitting right here teaching me how to use them. I can change it any color I want. So we have blue, there's orange even, there's even yellow.
Put strobe light.
Red. What's strobe light?
All these over here.
What? Okay, so you can make it to where it changes on its own flash.
How it fades.
That's cool. So this one goes in like rainbows. It's making my camera do crazy stuff.
Yeah, because they're LEDs.
That's the pink one.
Is it pink or?
Yeah, that one's a pink one. So yeah, this is the one I normally...
You can even turn it down.
This is the one I'll keep it on, more than likely.
This is a volume button.
You can turn the light down, or you can make it brighter. Yeah? Is that what you're saying? Okay. Babe is explaining to us how it works, because I just got these. These are so cool though. It just gives your car a vibe, you know? A nighttime vibe.
White.
What? That's white if you want white. That would be kind of cool if you need to tie your shoes or something. That's everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my updated car tour. I know this is not going to be everyone's cup of tea. That's okay, because I absolutely love my car. So if you guys like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, just so you let your girl know what kind of videos you like to see. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below. Say hello, holla at your girl, and thank you guys for tuning in today. You know I love you so much, wouldn't be here without you. Alright guys, I'll go ahead and let you go now. I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.